Integrating Azure SQL Scale-out is a powerful way to improve the performance and availability of your database. To get started, you need to understand the concept of sharding, which involves dividing your data into smaller, more manageable pieces called shards. Each shard is a self-contained database that can be scaled independently, allowing you to distribute the load and improve performance. The first step is to prepare your database for sharding. This involves identifying the shard key, which is the column or set of columns that will be used to determine which shard each piece of data belongs to. You should choose a shard key that is unique and evenly distributed, such as a customer ID or order number. Once you have identified your shard key, you can create a shard map, which is a database that keeps track of the shards and the data they contain. The shard map is used to direct queries to the correct shard, and it is typically stored in a separate database. To integrate Azure SQL Scale-out, you will need to use the Azure SQL Database Elastic Database Client Library. This library provides a set of APIs that allow you to create and manage shards, as well as to route queries to the correct shard. You can use the library to create a shard map manager, which is responsible for managing the shard map and directing queries to the correct shard. One of the key benefits of Azure SQL Scale-out is its ability to automatically split and merge shards as needed. This allows you to easily scale your database up or down to meet changing demands, without having to manually intervene. You can also use the Elastic Database Client Library to create custom splitting and merging policies, allowing you to tailor the scaling process to your specific needs. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to start with a small number of shards and gradually add more as needed. This allows you to test and refine your sharding strategy, and to ensure that your database is properly configured. You should also use a consistent naming convention for your shards, and make sure to regularly back up your shard map and data. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Azure SQL Scale-out and improve the performance and availability of your database. With its ability to automatically scale and manage shards, Azure SQL Scale-out is a powerful tool for any business looking to improve its database performance and reliability.